Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our i7 Pro Max smartwatch, and this time we're going to check on its menus and features of this wearable. And as you can see here, beautiful design, metallic body, brush finish, okay, with a white color, sporty strap. Okay, so let's check on the menus here. So we have here, okay, the watch face. Okay, you can scroll, you can use this crown button to select and scroll on the watch faces. Okay, you can also use this button here on the side to go back, okay, or turn off the screen. Okay, so on the top bottom here, okay, swiping from top to bottom here, we see the shortcut for some of the important settings, such as, I think this is dial. Okay, dial keys. Go back from left to right, the watch faces here. Okay, and let's see from here, so that's the watch face. On the bottom part, we have the menus and features of the i7 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so what are the functions available in the i7 Pro Max? We have the steps. Again, we have the steps, the heart rate. Okay, let's use this one, the crown button. We have the heart rate, blood oxygen. Also have the phone book, dialer, running, sit up. So the sports functions is already available here outside of the pay, or available already in the main menu. It is not categorized into sports category. Okay, or sports menu, but it's already available right away on the main menu. Okay, again, we have blood oxygen, phone book, dialer, running, sit up, basketball. We have tennis, bike riding, volleyball, jumping jack, badminton, sleep monitoring. Okay, so those are the sports. We also have another health function, sleep monitoring here. Then let's go back. Music, camera, remote camera control. Also have weather, stopwatch, anti-lost. We have message, reset, dual mode. This is for the Bluetooth. We have the QR code. We have the menu style. Also have detail support for Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp. Those are social apps. Okay. For the more, we have the language, setting time, and setting dates. Okay, as well as the language here. Okay, going back to its activity monitoring for the steps, so it calculates or monitors the steps with the animation here, as well as the calories and distance. Go back. We also have the heart rate. Let's check. Is it monitoring? Let's go back. So it monitors for your BPM. So we have, okay, I think on the bottom part it's a blood pressure. I'm not sure. Okay. Anyways, the result is not that accurate, I think. For the blood oxygen, we have here. Does it monitor? Okay, so let's check. Okay, it's monitoring your SpO2. Okay. Go back. What else? So for, I think that's the blood pressure monitoring. So it monitors for the heart rate as well as the blood pressure in the bottom part. Okay. We have the phone book. Okay. We also have the dialer. For the dialer, I think this one is pretty good. So it has a built-in mic and speaker, so when you press it, you can see it, it says the word, or it says the number. Okay, pretty cool function here. Again, okay, so it's a pretty neat function. Okay, we have here the activity tracking. For example, for the steps, so it calculates for the calories as well as the steps here and the time. Okay, while for the other activity settings, so it calculates for the sit up as well as the calories. Okay, what else do we have here? So we have a sleep monitoring, so it calculates or monitors the wake up time, the deep sleep as well as the light sleep. What else do we have? Okay, anti-loss. We also have weather. Okay, we also have message. You can read the messages here. It also supports social app notifications here. We have the QR code for the support app, so it is using the Watch Pro support app. We also have the menu style. Okay, that one, the first one is the list style. We have here somewhat like a window type, grid type, menu. Okay, we have at least 3 menu options, and we have the bubble type menu here. Okay, you can use this one to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, going back to style 1, we also have camera. What else? Okay, so here are the social apps it supports. So it supports Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, what else? That's it. Okay, that's the function of the wearable or the menus. So it doesn't support split screen, but it has at least 3 menu options and different sports function. Okay, for the UI, as you can see, very simple and easy to access menus. I hope they categorize the sports function into one category so that it's easy to look for. Okay, but anyway, so far it's easy to navigate anyways. Okay, and we have here several preloaded watch faces, and we're going to check on these watch faces, okay, on our next video. Okay, so that's it for the i7 Pro Max. Okay, menus and features. Okay, if you want, uh, if you have some questions regarding the support app or the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we have the time. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Goodbye.